It is May 12 and this is my reverted pink princess, and it looks like this new leaf that's about to unfurl is variegated pink. So exciting! It is May 15 and the leaf finally opened up, and chopping this reverted pink princess is totally worth it. I am so happy that now I have a pink princess. So beautiful. I love it. I love it. I'm so happy, and now get to see this beautiful pink princess leaf. It is now August 14th, and this is that leaf that I just showed you. Finally got matured, but got some brown spots on it, but anyways, it made it through. I waited so long to show you if there's any more progress of this. There is only little specks of variegation. This one has nothing, the second leaf that grew after that, and then this has a little bit, and then came to nothing again, and then just a little bit of specks of variegation right here. So hardly anything, friends, because imagine from that pretty leaf, and then it came to just little hints right here, and then came to hardly anything. I almost thought that it will not gonna give me any more, so I was thinking of chopping it off again, but then this came up. So I'm so happy. I was like, oh no, good thing I did not cut it off, because it grew another variegated leaf. So I guess I'm not gonna lose hope. So I'm just gonna keep on watching this and then see if it will give me more. So that's hope, friends. Don't give up on your reverted pink princess. I also found another one here, the other stems that it has. So here has some of this right there. It has some variegation, so that's cute. And then I have little sprouts of the back here from the stems right here too. Some hopes of new growth. So anyways, that's an update for now. So if you have a reverted pink princess, don't give up, friends. It might give you a nice pink princess leaf. Not reverted no more, so I'm so happy. So I'm just gonna keep it, put a trellis on this, and then as it grows, I'm just gonna add another more trellis or a totem coconut pole, whatever you call that. And I got that pole from Amazon, and it has like a PVC on it, so it wouldn't rot. So hopefully that would work. I will add that link if you wanted one the same way. So this is it for now. This is an update of this pink princess that reverted, and it finally have a new pink leaf. Happy planting, friends. Till the next. Bye for now.